I'm happy that I got to talk to you about it. So,
Yeah, I appreciate it too.
because it's a lot of work that
Mhm.
has been done, and it's um it's a lot of work in a very short time.
Yeah,
Because most people, you may, do a book and it may be, a year, but you've done two, you've started a learning institute. It's a lot. It's a lot that, yeah, that you've actually done in a very short period of time.
but more to do.
Mm-hmm.
More to do. We're in our second year now.
Yeah,
We're not working with the calendar year, we're working with the months, right? So we
mm-hmm.
started in August, and now August is the beginning of our year. So we in September we'll have started a new year.
A new year.
We're gonna start a new year running, you know, running into the newness of the new,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, new energy, you know,
More stuff to come
yeah, and good stuff.
and
Actually.
good stuff. Yeah. It's good. I think it's good. A lot. What you're doing, it's needed. It's different. Um, like we say, authentic, which I love that. I love being different and authentic. So that's definitely a good thing. A lot of people, they may have, different coaching programs and conferences and things of that nature. But I think what you're doing, it's so I just think it's like really, really impactful, more impactful because it's touching your everyday person, like anybody going through you don't have to be a lawyer, doctor, or anything of that nature, just any single person, any, children, adults, seniors, middle age. And it's real. It's things that people, you can really put your hands on it. You can put your emotions on it, that you can really connect to. So I think it's very, what we say, thought provoking, make that individual really, really think and have to look deep within themselves. So
Yeah.
I love it.
So the only thing now for our listeners to do, get out there, get the books, start with Unearthing You, sign up for the workshop, get your families together, build a group, sign up for the workshop as a group, and get involved, become engaged, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And you
Yeah.
have you have the information, the links and everything, how to sign up for the workshop, how to get the books.
If you can go to acollisionwithpurpose.com, it's all there. It's all there. acollisionwithpurpose.com. There are different pages on there. You'll find a page for books, and if you click on the drop down, you'll see the different books. There's a page on there for the workshop. There's a page on there for the event, the event in December
December.
9th. So it's all there. It's all there. And when we post our videos, it's will be in the caption. You can go on our Facebook, Instagram, A Collision with Purpose on Facebook. Information is all there. Go get your book. And believe me, they're moving fast. And
Awesome.
moving fast, right? So
And especially if someone want to be in the workshop that's coming
yeah,
in September, that's right around the corner, and space
yeah.
is limited.
It's only 12 seats. At the
Mm-hmm.
most, at the most. Could be 10. It's only 12. And that's going to be an exciting. We'll also be doing some live in-person workshops, in smaller groups. And that's now if a group of individuals should come and they live in the local area and they say, we have 6, we have
Mm-hmm.
the location to facilitate that. We have that workshop. So different options. We're just offering the one for December 12th now. But you, as I said earlier, organize your group, bring your group, and choose your day. This is what we do.
Awesome. So you could have a virtual workshop or you could have it in person if you're in
Right.
the Atlanta area. You could have an in person if needs
We'll
be.
come to you as well. We'll come to your station.
Oh, oh, awesome.
Absolutely. And
Oh,
we'll
awesome.
bring it to you.
Oh, wow.
Yes, we'll bring it to you.
So that's good. That's a good offer right there.
Yeah, we'll bring it to you. No matter where you are, we'll bring it to you. We'll bring it on. We'll
Yes.
we'll we'll be there to unearth you.
All right.
And we'll participate in the process of
Oh my,
unearthing you.
oh my gosh, I love that.
Yeah, it's what can I say? Enough said, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Like you said, we could talk about this for
Hmm.
hours and hours because it's such great stuff that is happening.
Hmm.
Yeah, that we can definitely have a whole more conversations about it. So that's good.
Yep, yep,
All
yep.
righty.
So thank you again, and
You-
we'll cut it up another time. We'll
mm,
talk another time
Okay.
as we have more developments, right? And we will.
Yes, yes.
We'll be announcing the programs, the courses that we're going to offer. We'll be announcing them at the function in December. You
Okay.
know, and I have a special thing I'm going to be announcing then as well. It's going to be an anthology.
Oh,
It's going to focus on relationship, and leadership in relationships, right?
oh,
In,
so that's a different book.
that's coming, and that's going to be a collaboration now, right? We
Mm,
will be inviting X amount of males and X amount of females to have a discussion about leadership in relationships.
leadership in relationships.
Mhm. And I'm
All
talking
right.
intimate relationships.
You talk about some thought-provoking things.
So, so that's something to keep in mind.
All
If if
right.
that if that's a space that you want to be in and have that discussion and conversation, then you're welcome.
And that will be an anthology that's coming up for
Mhm.
2024.
Early 2024.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Awesome. All right. Exciting stuff. Exciting stuff. Lots of work.
big stuff, big stuff. You
Mm,
know,
good.
we have a publisher that we have a business to business agreement with, and for taking care of us, we're gonna do 12 books over 3 years. And we've built that. We're partnering with Elder Joan Randall and company. And so far they've done an awesome job for us,
Awesome.
and guiding us. So big up to them,
Mm-hmm.
and certainly
Big
would
ups.
yeah, certainly would recommend them all day long. If you're an aspiring writer, if you're an experienced writer, I trust them to help me get my
To help
stuff
get your
out.
story out.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Awesome. That's great.
Mhm.
So yeah, so guys, hey, for our upcoming authors that's out there, you hear what Dr. Stevenson said. The publishing company to go to is Victorious You Press. So that's great, phenomenal. And that's important. That's important if you're an author to have a good publishing company that you can trust to help guide you along in the process.
Here I am, right? Brand new,
Mhm.
brand new in the game.
Mhm.
They've 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 seen me through what, 2 books.
And you have 2 books in less than a year. Wow, I keep going back to that less than a year. Like, how did you do that, you know?
With good support, with a good support team, and they're an integral part of
Mhm.
that support team. That's how you do it. You gotta get the right people in the right place at the right time, and they're definitely key. key players.
Awesome.
And so you got to have that. And it's not a one-man show. No, it'll work. Yeah, so a one-man's gig, you know.
But it's important to have the right team members along
Absolutely.
with you to get you there.
Yep.
Good. Good stuff.
Yeah, so that's what's up. It's
All
Donna.
right.
Mhm.
Okay, dokie. We can. Oh, we're still
Are
recording.
you
So we're
done? We
recording.
can be
I am
done.
finished. I am finished.
All right. Thanks a lot again.
Okay.
I truly appreciate the conversation.
You're
And
welcome. Anytime.
thank you so much.
You're very welcome. All righty. Have a good night.
You as well.